Hi everyone. So today we will be talking about one loyalty business dashboard. So we provide multiple types of users to log into the system. One is called business admin. So business admin can log into the system and can see the sales of the entire business from one place, which is called business dashboard. So if you see there are 20 plus stores which are using one loyalty, but I can, as a business user, I can see last 30 days sell of all the stores. If I want to see various date range, I can select there is a custom date range or there is a specific number of days worth of data. I can select and I can check the data. I can also select store wise sell. If a particular store I want to see, I can just click and see that, right? So business admin from touch of a button, from mobile or from desktop, anywhere he can have an access of the entire business. So from business dashboard, he can see uh, what are the today's new member, what are the monthly new member, what are the total active new member, what are the inactive member. If any member they have blocked to perform the transaction, those will be treated as an inactive. So once you click on that, you will be able to see the list of new members, what are their mobile numbers, their status, how many points they have earned, on which day they have registered, right? So all the detail they can see from here. You can also see what is the total sales during last 30 day of this business, what are the total number of transaction, how many points got earned, how many points got redeemed. So when you click on that detail, you will be able to see all the transactions. So here you see store-wise invoice, like what all transaction happen. You can see the invoice date, invoice number, invoice amount, how many points earned by the customer on that mobile number, and what is the transaction actual date, right? Once you click on the bill, you will be able to see the detail of the bill. Let me just click on that. Yeah, so this shows the entire invoice detail with the invoice number, from which store the invoice happened, what is the mobile number of the customer, invoice date, transaction date, how many points got earned on this transaction, what was the total amount of the transaction, what all items he has bought, with a lot of details of that item, how many quantity, what discount applied, what are the taxes, what is the net amount customer has paid, right? And this bill can also be, on successful of that transaction, this same bill can be sent as a WhatsApp message with an how many point customer has earned, how many point he has redeemed. Plus there is a link of the bill which when customer can click and open it in a browser. So business doesn't need to print every time a bill. They can save money with our WhatsApp feature also. Yeah, so you can close it from here. You can paginate and you can see the more number of bills. Okay, so yeah, similarly, whatever points are redeemed, you can see those transactions, like how many points got redeemed by which customer. So all you can check it from here. Along with it, our dashboard also talked about sales month on month. So March, the sales was this much, April, and now then it is reducing. So you get to know the idea what is my off season, when my off season start, when is my peak of season. So you can plan accordingly based on this data. Along with it, we also show point earn and redeem trend at all the stores or a specific store, how many points got earned and how many points got redeemed. Along with, you can also see the store performance on the dashboard. Which store is doing like what level of business, which is my top performing, top ranked store, which is my lowest performing store, which stores are not performing good, and what are the total number of transaction happened, total sale, average order value of a store. So you can, you can check all those transactions from directly from here. Whatever points are redeemed, you can check that also, who has done those transactions. So this give you an overview of your business to focus on what stores. So if you see here, average order value is pretty low, 7,765 compared to other stores. So you can target this and this store, come up with a strategy, create an offer and target them. So yeah, this is the business dashboard for a range-based program. Now I'll be showing the dashboard of a tier-based program by logging in as another user. in as a user where the tier-based program is running. So the dashboard is most of it same. Only two graphs are different. One is the tier-based active member, another was in tier-based sales. So in last 2 days, I have 76 customer visited. Out of it, 75 were silver tier member who are spending less than 5,000, and gold member, just one member has visited yesterday, and the total sell which 1,18,000, 1,12,000 was generated by a silver member, and 5,797. So you can differentiate all this. Once you change the data, once you change the date, all the data will change. Yeah. So this is the overview of business dashboard. I will also cover the customer dashboard. So from this transaction history, you can directly click on the mobile number of the customer and see the history of the customer. So this is called our customer dashboard, where you can enter the mobile number of the customer and check the entire history of the customer. For example, what is the name of the customer? What are the total number of points he has right now? How many points he has redeemed? How many points he has earned? How many points got expired? What are the points about to expire in next 30 days? You can check all that detail. Also the transaction history and the earning and burning trend of that particular member. Not only business user can access this customer dashboard, but store manager, we also provide access to store manager. They can also access customer dashboard and business dashboard, but they will be only able to see data of the particular store where they are the manager, and they won't be able to see campaigns, feedback, all these features. So yeah, this is the overview of one loyalty dashboard, customer and business dashboard. Thank you.